Hi guys! In this video we're going to be looking at a stem and leaf plot. Now a stem and leaf plot is basically a table that represents information. So obviously in a stem and leaf plot you will have your stem, which is here, and the stem is normally your tens value. So for example, that 1 there represents 10, the 2 represents 20, and the 3 represents 30. And you will also have your leaves. The leaves are here, they're always single digit numbers. So the leaves, first value is 3. That's in next to the 10, so that value would be 13. Next to that is 6. Still in the tens row, so that value will be 16. And the last one is also 6. Again in the tens row, so it's 16. It does actually tell you in the key, every stem and leaf graph or plot should have a key. So that shows you it's 20 something, and the leaf is 5, so it's 25. Let's do some examples now. So moving down, for example, 6 students were asked how many stickers they had. So the first thing I need to do is draw my axes, write down stem, and of course leaf. Now I need to look at my smallest value. My smallest value is 8 and my largest value is 21, which means in my tens for 8 it will be 0, then I need 1 and 2. So now let's take a look. 8 is my only single digit number, so a stem of 0, a leaf of 8. That tells me 0, 8, which gives me the value of 8, because there is 0 in the tens column, or the stem. Now I need to find the next smallest value. The next smallest value is 12 and 12. So we put our small values really close to the stem, and as we go further out, they become larger values. So I've got 12, 1 in the tens, 2, that gives me the value of 12. And I have another 12, so another 2. Next I have 13, 3. Next I have 14, 4. I don't have anything else in my tens. The last thing I have is 21. So the stem of 20 and the leaf of 1. And there we go, my stem and leaf plot is done. The last thing I need to do is a key. So I'm going to make my key 2/1 means 21. Okay, moving down now. This is the last example that we're going to go through. This is the height of students in centimeters. So again, we start with our stem and we write leaf. We need to find our smallest value, which is here, 140. And our largest value is 192. So because our leaf can only be a single digit number, our stem this time will have to be 2 digits. So our smallest is will be 14 with a leaf of 0. Our largest stem is going to be 19. Now with a stem, you can't actually skip any numbers. It has to be in chronological order. So my stem of 14, and I've got to go all the way up to 19. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So even if there are no values in some of the stems, that's okay. You still have to have it there though. Okay, so I've got 140 is my smallest. My next smallest is 148. So I've got 140 there, and I have to write 8. Now 150s. Got 151, 155, and 158. So 1 is the smallest, then 5, then 8. 1, 5, 8. With your leaves, you always do need to make sure that they line up properly. Okay, the next one is my 60s. So 160, 168. So 60 is smaller, so 0 goes next to the stem. and 8 goes further away. I don't have anything in 170, so I don't write anything there. Be careful that you don't write 0, because if you write 0, that means there is a value of 170, but that would not be true. So we leave 17 blank, we leave 18 blank. Now we have 19, 192. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 values on my stem and leaf plot. There are 8 values on the results, so I am done. The last thing I need to do though is a key. So I can do key 15/5 equals 155 centimeters. And I'm done. I hope that's been really helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, everyone.